Welcome to the featured car of the day, and today's featured car is a beauty. It's a 1970 Ford Torino GT convertible with the 351 V8 engine, 5.8 liter. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night, and the sun was setting, but it captured the color really nice. It was a great looking car. Always liked the hideaway headlights that these cars had, and which was available on the Torino Brougham as well as the GT car. And these are fairly rare. This is actually the only one that I've recorded in the last 5 years. I do have a Torino Cobra with the 429 Super Cobra jet engine that I'm going to show here for you. This one I recorded at my cruise night as well. But as far as the other ones go for 1970, I don't have any other ones. I do have a 1971 Ranchero that I'm going to show here in a minute that you can see the differences that they had in the year. But there weren't too many of them. Mainly the front grille was different on the 1971 versus the 1970. But both years were great looking cars, and they only had this body style for 1970 and 1971. In 72, they went to the more rounded car body style, and in 68 and 9, they had the different style, which they used as the NASCAR used for the Talladega model for racing. And that was the first year, 1968, for the Torino. And they went through, I believe, 1975 was the last year for them. But they definitely left their mark. They were some great-looking cars. They were available in the Torinos were available in the station wagon, the Ranchero, which was the pickup truck style like the El Camino, and the convertible, as well as four-door sedan and the sports roof, the fastback model, which you see more of those, especially in the high performance. As far as production numbers go, in 1970, Ford sold approximately 2 million cars. And as far as Torinos, they sold 230,000 Torinos, all different models combined. This particular car, the GT convertible, they sold 3,939. And for the Cobra, they sold 7,675 of those. And that gives you an idea of the scarcity of the cars. Out of the 230,000 made, the numbers are that low. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.